Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Dom's sketch pencils. First, let's understand what makes these pencils a great choice for artists. Dom's pencils are known for their smooth, break-resistant lead, making them ideal for various artistic applications. They come in sets, often containing 6 pencils, providing a range of options for your artwork. Their ergonomic design ensures a comfortable experience, even during long drawing sessions, allowing you to focus on your creativity. Understanding pencil grades is crucial for achieving desired effects in your sketches. Dom's pencils typically include grades like HB, 2B, 4B, 6B, 8B, and sometimes 2H. Harder pencils, indicated by H and a number like 2H, are great for light outlines and technical drawings. Softer B pencils, such as 10B, contain more graphite, producing rich, dark tones perfect for shading and filling large areas. HB sits in the middle, offering a versatile balance for everyday sketching. Now, let's explore some essential sketching techniques. Hatching uses closely spaced parallel lines to create shading, while cross-hatching adds a second set of lines for darker, denser areas. Blending is key for smooth transitions. You can use a paper stump, cotton swab, or even your finger to soften pencil marks. Layering involves applying light pressure and building up tone gradually, which helps avoid a muddy appearance and creates depth in your artwork. To ensure your Dom's sketch pencils last and perform optimally, proper care is essential. Always sharpen gently with a good quality sharpener to avoid breaking the lead. Wipe your pencils with a dry cloth to keep them clean from dust and skin oils. Store them in a pencil case or roll-up wrap to protect them from damage. Remember, consistent practice, experimenting with different pressures, and observing light sources will significantly enhance your sketching skills over time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.